Programming is a craft like any other, and it takes real dedication to master, a wise word from Anthropic. As the world ebbs and flows like the river, so too does the art of programming, ever evolving, ever changing. Jessica Rose once said, "Focus on solving problems and helping others. Success will follow." It's a reminder for us all to look beyond the lines of code and see the people, the problems, the world that we can impact. If you can dream it, you can code it. A simple truth that stands as a beacon of inspiration. The sky's the limit, and even then, who's to say we can't code our way to the stars? Oluwafemi once reminded us, never stop learning. The day you stop is the day you stop leveling up. A call to action, a push towards constant growth, a rally cry for every coder out there. And lastly, create something that matters. Ship. A final thought to leave you with, because in the end, what we create, what we put out into the world, that's what truly matters. So go forth, code, create, and make a difference.